time here at Unique, especially in classics. 2013 Chevrolet Camaro LT, the RS package. Nice looking convertible. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. A little over 17,000 on this one is all. As you can see, victory red exterior paint. Has the gray two-tone interior, leather interior. Take a good look at the front fascia, front grille. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this car, engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. 3.6 liter dual overhead cam, V6 underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Black cloth convertible top that is power. Functions as it should. Gauge cluster, the MyLink infotainment system, steering wheel controls. Nicely equipped car. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, all the standard equipment you're going to have on a late model Camaro LT with the RS package. Polished wheels. And you can take a peek at the driver's side here. See, it's pretty free of much of any real nicks, dings, or scratches. You might find a couple imperfections here or there, but boy, they are few and far in between on this one. All right, and as you can also see, Boston Acoustics audio system. So Boston premium audio system in this one. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power driver's seat, steering wheel controls for stereo, cruise, information center. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. We'll check your exact miles here. 17,594, and no warning indicators, no service engine soon lights, anything like that. Everything's good there. There's that MyLink infotainment center. Top of the dash, all in good shape. You also see heads-up display. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. No crazy exhaust, anything over the top. Sounds as though it is stock, and you'll be able to see the exhaust system and the undersides and the still pictures. I'm going to go ahead and pull this hood release. We'll put the convertible top up here at the end too. Let you take a peek at that. I think I might be able to get this one-handed. Maybe. Get a good look at the engine bay. Take a look at the hood liner also. Doesn't appear that this has been driven in inclement weather. Nice and clean and tidy. Again, what you'd expect with this kind of miles on it. 3.6 liter dual overhead cam, V6. You can see strut tower brakes. Alright, so smooth running. What you'd expect underneath there also. Let me go ahead and pause this a second. I'm going to run that top up so we can check out the condition of this. We'll wrap up the video.
Here we have a 2013 Chevrolet Camaro convertible. Taken for a drive. This vehicle has a heads-up display. turn signals work. Digital and needle indicated miles per hour work. Tachometer works. Radio works. Accelerates nicely. Brakes nicely. There's 60 miles an hour. Nice and quiet. Oil pressure is good. Oil temperature is good. Trans temperature. Is good. Volts are good. Wipers work. Blower motor works. Nice riding car, very good handling car. Indicates 17,000 miles. It feels like new.
And here's the top up. So power top functions as it should. Black cloth, free of rips, tears, holes, what you'd expect in a car of this age with this kind of miles. Nice shape. Glass rear window with the rear defogger. So there you go, looking for a nice drop top. Some warm weather fun. Here it is, 2013 Chevrolet Camaro LT convertible, clean Carfax. No accidents indicated, confirmed low miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.